Hi, I am Ray Alonso. If you own a 2001 Triumph, a 2015 Triumph, or any year model in between, whether it be a Scrambler, a Bonneville, or a Thruxtun, I'm going to show you how you can make the nice newer Bonneville T120 seats fit on your motorcycle. But I'm also going to tell you why I don't think you should and why I am not going to. So to do this really quickly, let's just jump right in here. So I took off the two screws off the back of this. This is a 2010 Triumph Scrambler. These two screws require a size 5mm hex or Allen wrench. Slides right out with those two screws off. Skip right to the good stuff. This is the T120 seat from the 2016 and newer models. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick side by side what these seats look like underneath, since we have a chance to do that. So you'll notice right off the bat, let me see if I can get them both in view here, right off the bat that the brown seat, the T120 seat, has this lip at the top. So see that lip at the top? So if you wanted to make that lip fit, you'd have to cut this one a little bit to match this one. And I'll show you where it goes, where it hooks. You'll see also the metal hinges near the bottom. One sits lower than the other, but let's see what obstacles we have to face here. Okay, so right out of the gate, the seat looks like it sits, but when you look at underneath, you have that gap because obviously that lip is in the way of sliding under those screws. Those two screws that mount the gas tank in place. So let's see what else there is. Okay, so we have issue number one. Issue number two is right here. You'll notice that it's resting on top of this pipe thing. The other seat is supposed to sit over it. So the problem is that the sidewall of this seat is plastic. So the weight of your human body is going to crush that plastic if you try to sit on it, and so end up damaging the seat. So in order for the seat to fit properly, you have to have it actually seat all the way in like that. When you do that though, it looks nice on the rear, but on the front, you end up with a gap between your seat and your gas tank. I don't like the way that gap looks, so that's why I'm not gonna do it to my bike. But if you want to install a T120 seat on a Triumph, Scrambler, Thruxtun, or Bonneville, year models 2001 to 2015, what you'd have to do is, first of all, cut this lip here to match yours. You can get a knife and warm it up with a lighter to melt through it. You're gonna have to remove these, and then your electrical here, so it doesn't get smushed, you're gonna have to kind of unscrew it and move it over next to the battery. Just kind of slide it to the next layer down. So to show you the side view of that, where it sits, let's see here. Let's see if we can get a good view of that. So you'll notice that the curve happens after the electrical, and by the curve, see the middle of the seat where it curves down? That doesn't curve until after you've cleared the electrical, which is why you want to move the electrical down. So it'd be kind of right in the middle of that curve. So you can make the seat fit, you just have to live with that nasty gap right there, and I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to have to find a seat that actually does fit my bike. Hope this video helps some of you guys. Enjoy.